AB Bernstein is getting bullish on Airbnb, initiating coverage that outperformed with a $143 price target, saying its rapid and profitable growth removes a key hurdle, its valuation. Joining us now is Richard Clarke, Managing Director at AB Bernstein. Richard, there's a number of things that you highlight here, but really the point being that this isn't just about Airbnb being able to protect its market share in the vacation rental business. You think they could really make a significant play on hotels and experiences as well. Walk me through that thesis.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's absolutely right. So we think the vacation rental market is still very exciting. I think it's a big market. It's going to gain share of the overall lodging market, and Airbnb, we think, will gain share within that. But probably beyond that, even more exciting is that ability to sell more than just vacation rental market. It doesn't market as much as other travel platforms, so it has a loyal customer following, has a very strong brand, and we think they can sell longer stays, hotel rooms, experiences, and they can add to its growth.
The longer stays have been a real growth spot for Airbnb, something they've been highlighting, especially over the course of the pandemic. The hotels specifically, where do you see them making a play when you look at how fragmented the market is right now?
Yeah, so I mean, I think actually the hotel market is fragmented. The distribution market is not that fragmented. You've got Booking and Expedia, who are quite dominant in their respective geography. So I think the actual hotels are looking for other distribution channels to broaden their landscape a little bit. And I think Airbnb is unique in the sense that it does try and inspire the customer. You know, it's got this category-based search. It tries to find a way to match the customer and the product up in a way that we don't see in other companies. And I think that gives it a way to make a play in hotels.
So you see the platform evolving into a place where hotels can also list their openings?
Well, they're already on there. I mean, there are already tens of thousands of hotels listed on Airbnb. Airbnb bought Hotel Tonight. They signed a deal with SiteMinder. They signed a deal with Oyo, and that gave them probably somewhere around 70 to 80,000 hotels. But that's only just scratching the surface. There's probably 10 times that many hotels in the world. And I think through COVID, they focused on the core business, and hotels is one thing that they can try and reignite post the other side of COVID and put it alongside the vacation rentals on its platform.
Richard, we've been talking so much about a lot of these companies within the sharing economy, whether that's in Uber, food delivery, Airbnb among them. You know, they all started after the financial or after the Great Recession, and it was sort of in earlier days used as a platform for a lot of people to make some extra cash on the side. Yep. You know, how much of a catalyst do you think, if we are looking at a further downturn in the macro picture, I mean, could that be a potential catalyst for Airbnb to bring in more hosts and really expand the platform in a way?
Yeah, I think that's right. I mean, I think first of all, there's quite a lot of dormant hosts on Airbnb. Like there's a lot of listings that haven't taken a booking in the last year, and maybe that's because of COVID, nervousness around that. So maybe part of it is bringing existing hosts back onto the platform. And then, I think beyond that, there probably are other people that will need to supplement their income. They'll need to offset the fact that maybe they're paying higher mortgage costs or higher rental costs, and that may bring entirely new supply to the market.
Okay, AB Bernstein Managing Director Richard Clarke, appreciate your time today.
Thank you.